to make use of the, hopefully it didn't go bad. But these are the blueberries I bought last week. Ooh, still good. He gave me his shoulder. His words were very nice. But that is all behind me. 'Cause now there is no other. Love is his and his is mine. A friend became the love of my life. This is what's left over. That would make a really good spread for some toast. That color is very strong. Let's try. Ooh. I'm surprised I actually taste the lavender. I put a couple squirts of lavender in and it's actually really good. I like it mixed with the blueberry. A friend became the love of my life. You are my friend. Love of my life. I can't live it. Love of my life. Without you, baby, feels like I sampled true love. Yeah. I am so excited. I am a sweaty mess. Went grocery shopping, got a little sandwich to enjoy for lunch, but I got, okay, let me not drop it. I got a package. One sec, ignore my TV, but this was an impulse buy. It was. I literally bought it last night, and shout out to Amazon. It's kind of a light package for what it is, but let's see. I got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I think I'm gonna do an unboxing for TikTok, so I'm gonna do a little more aesthetic there. But I got this, and then I also got some glass protector for the lens and the little screen here. I heard that's important because there's a lot of people that drop it. That's what I did with my Insta360 too. So I have slight scratches on that one, not terrible, but now I know, always get a protector. And then I also got, it came in a bundle, and I got the magnetic thing, so you can like prop it up on different magnetic places and things. So I'm excited for that. That comes in on Monday though, so all of that. I also want to get the wide lens, but I'm gonna wait a little bit, play with it, and then that'll be probably my next thing. But I'm taking it up a notch on YouTube. This one you can also do short form content because it goes vertical. So there's a lot I'm going to be doing with this. I have made a commitment to myself to really go off with. There's like no reason, I literally do it for work. There's no reason why I can't personally take it up a notch with my own content. Why not? I feel like I'm more passionate when I film this type of stuff, especially my solo date journey. It's been so much fun filming and experiencing different things and connecting. I've connected with so many people through this content. So I'm excited to take my content up a notch, and nothing is, well, it's not hard, but carrying this big camera around that I'm filming on right now, it's a lot sometimes, and it's not even that big, but to have this little compact camera that is good quality, so exciting, can't wait. All right, let's do an unboxing. All right, vlog, oh my God, this is it. I switched over to the DJI Pocket Osmo Pocket 3, whatever it is. I'm on it and it looks Very nice. Oh my gosh, I'm like really impressed. I charged it up, so we're gonna take it over to our little solo date we have. We're going to the Intercontinental in Buckhead, the Americano. They're having like a wine tasting event. I got invited to check it out, so I might include them in like a solo dating article I'm working on. So let's go see. I'm gonna have some wine. I'm excited. Happy Saturday. Quick outfit check. The shoes. Ignore this pile over here. You didn't see that, but let's go. I'm loving this camera, guys. How cute. I'm thinking of starting with the Frito Misto, and then I always love a branzino, but I might get a pasta. Do I try to do a certain order?
It doesn't matter actually. It's up to your preference, but they're all super delicious. I will say this one's more of a dessert, but everything else is just terrible with anything.
Awesome. Thank you. So I have the wine plate. So far my favorites are this first one, which is a Torrecchio Barolo. I don't know if I'm saying that right. The rest are, I feel like it gets gradually more bitter almost. So this is very light, but it's not. I will go with the Frito Misto, and then I'll do the rigatoni. Yeah. Really good. Yeah. Thank you. Look, Ash. We are about to do a little hot girl walk. Apparently the Hailey Bieber smoothie, it's like a dupe of the smoothie, but it's at this really good and healthy smoothie place that just opened up in the West Side, which is not too far from me. So I'm gonna do a little hot girl walk up near, it's in the West Side Provisions District. So I feel like I look really ashy, but I think it's just the setting. good. Made it home. That was such a satisfying walk. Like, I miss summer in Atlanta. So nice. I finished the smoothie. I feel like the collagen powder is like clumped at the bottom, and that's a little questionable taste. I am gonna eat every ounce of that because that's the good stuff. It's actually not a bad smoothie. Now I do want to taste like the original version because that's supposed to be like, I think $20, and apparently it's amazing. That, don't know if it was worth, how much did I pay, like $14? Don't know, but at least it wasn't a bad experience. I did get some scents. I'm so excited to hook my Pura back up. It's been unplugged for a while. If you don't know what a Pura is, let me show you. So this is like a luxury scent diffuser, and it's like kind of like a luxury air freshener like Glade, but it is all controlled through your phone. So you put 2 tabs in, or not tabs, they're like liquid scents. You put them in and you can control how often you want it to be on. You can switch between the 2 scents. There's even like a little light, and you can change the color of the light that shows. It's such a vibe. You can even put it on a timer. So if I have people coming over in 30 minutes, then I'll put it on and let it go for 30 minutes or however long. I have my fragrances in now, so I am going to put it, I'll put it on medium, and I'll put start. And you see it light up right here. Oh wow. This is like our most popular one. Spacious. Yes, the way it is structured, like the island being really big in the middle like this, it's really pretty. And this is similar to the one you were saying that was? Yes, so the one on the first floor, it's down and not available until April. Okay. That's good. Yeah, still a good time frame. It's I am home and I'm getting ready to sit down and edit. I kind of want to make an espresso martini. Yeah, let's make an espresso martini. Looks like I never loved TKO. Oh, I better let it go. What you think about it, girl? Oh, yeah. Just how I like it, really good. Anyways, that is a wrap on this vlog, but let me know, do you notice a difference between the beginning footage, the solo date at Americano, till now has all been filmed on my DJI, so if you notice a difference, let me know in the comments. I am obsessed with this camera. It's so easy to film. I can literally bring it everywhere and feel comfortable vlogging, so prepare to be sick of me. Anyways, I'm sitting down to edit with a little espresso martini to keep me company, but I will catch you guys in my next vlog. Peace. Whatever that is.